right by that freckle.
This small reddish mark on the right side of her neck is the only visible reminder of what Sherry Noller endured.
Today, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling wonderful without pain.
The Joplin woman's journey began in June of 2021.
I felt as though I had a constant icy hot feeling inside my body. It was a pain that would radiate down through my left leg down to about my knee, and at the worst of it would also be radiating up my left side into my rib cage.
Even more maddening, it was a pain deep inside her. Sherry couldn't find it, couldn't relieve it with any kind of pressure.
I was also feeling like my hips were just kind of out of joint a little bit. I was trying to stretch, I was trying to move around to get some relief, and nothing would help.
Over several months, she saw multiple doctors and had multiple scans and tests, everything coming up clean, indicating she was perfectly healthy.
It impacted my mental health for sure.
At 38, Sherry felt despair. Then she started doing her own internet searches and she came across something intriguing. Dozens of Facebook pages and groups dedicated to something she'd never heard of, pelvic congestion syndrome. In the simplest terms, varicose veins in the pelvis.
What I found was a community of tens of thousands of women.
She asked her gynecologist in Joplin about it and says she was stunned when the doctor told Sherry that she didn't believe in pelvic congestion syndrome. Even worse,
the only way to remedy pelvic congestion syndrome was to have a full hysterectomy.
Sherry took the reins, reaching out to a doctor at the University of Kansas health system that she'd read about through her various searches, vascular and interventional radiologist Dr. Alli. Dr. Alli took one look at her CAT scan and validated everything. Sherry did have pelvic congestion syndrome, and even better, Dr. Alli could treat it.